So दोस्तों just I am creating a class inside a filter folder. Just I am creating a class user authentication. Authentication class can be inherit I authentication filter. Inside have a two method on authentication and on authentication challenge. Inside if user exists, then if successful block can be go inside this method. If unsuccessful authentication, then go to this method. Okay, yeah, further if any user try to any without login, then my coding block come this block. Okay, so that and also one more point that I am going to login controller. So just I am creating a login. So guys, just this is my account controller have a login, and just we can log in. If login is, if we go by login, then it's working properly. If without login I am access to any other page, just we can check that user is unauthorized, and just we go to redirect to error page and just go to login. Okay, so just I am running the application. It will take some little time. Okay, suppose that I am directly come on home page, then go a contact us page, about us page, without login. Without login, I can visit to other pages. But one more important part is that first we login, then we can visit to other pages. Okay, so I am creating. I am going to login. Okay, so without login I am going to contact page, I am going to about page, so that so this problem is resolved by authentication filter. So just I am this is my authentication filter. Just we can use user authentication and use this inside home controller. This is my home controller, and we can use this as a controller label. Okay, we can use authentication, just we can add authentication filter dot filter namespace. So this authentication user authentication attribute can use as a controller label, otherwise we can use as a action label. In both situations, suppose that I want to do as a controller label or action label, so in this situation we can manage this. If I am creating as a control label, then it implement on action. So in this section just we can log in, then we can go on the page. Just I am going to run the application. Okay, it's I am getting some error. That error occur while processing on the request. Okay, just I am writing some other error like just basically go to view shared, and this is my error page. Error page, just I write some code. So this is my error page, just we write some user understandable code, just like we can add bootstrap, css and js classes, and just if we go to without login, just we are getting some message like you are not authorized user, and just we can go create and just go to the login page. Okay, so friends, just we can refresh the page and going to this. I means that I got some message that you are not authorized user, and we can go and log in. Okay, so that we can pass the login. Just we can go to the login. Just I am going to login button. Okay, so we are pass here as a login link. Okay guys, so that suppose that I am going to contact page, so in the contact page we cannot go directly, so that I am getting some this and go to login page. Go to login page. I am not going to about page, so please go to login page. I am not going to home page, so that please go to no. So in the situation, just we first login. Okay, then going to home page. Just we can go to home page, and after that we can go about page, and after that we go to contact page, go to home page. So today I will explain about authentication filter. So please subscribe my channel and like for further new video. So this is my first video, so please any mistake, so I am really pardon, but it's perfectly as understandable and it's work fine, so please subscribe. Thank you so much.